Bullish Elrond cost expectations range somewhere in the range of $270.54 and $589.17 by 2030. Market examiners accept Egld could reach $270.54 by 2025. Bearish Elrond market cost expectation for 2022 is $48.10. Elrond presentation. Numerous digital currency projects are using the advantages of the DeFi innovation to get the fate of their undertakings and accomplish a full condition of organization versatility. Elrond is one of those conventions that is centered around building a creative blockchain foundation with a state sharding plan, a blockchain arrangement that permits hubs to some extent control the framework state, which helps construct the organization system. This organization has released another condition of advanced engineering and innovation. Be that as it may, in this video, we'd introduce an outline of this Elrond biological system, its cost exhibition since its creation, the group and values behind the capability of its organization, and our future cost forecast. With the erratic developments in the digital currency market, it'd be an extraordinary chance to understand what the presentation of your venture would be with the guide of cutting-edge specialized examination devices and expectation specialists. What is Elrond? Elrond Network, additionally alluded to as Egld, was established in 2017 in Romania by two programming designers Benjamin Mincu and Lucian Mincu. However, the mainnet took some time prior to sending off in July 2020 because of high objective turn of events. Egld is a blockchain framework that uses sharding for the purpose of expanding chain versatility and exchange speed while applying the security of the evidence of stake agreement instrument. It has a greatest stock of 31,415,926 Egld tokens, which is expanded yearly yet thus diminishes the marking prizes in the organization. This will influence the rate at which expansion of the coin develops as it continually diminishes, yet the confirmation of stake validators would act as one more method for exchange check on the convention. This blockchain has supported the end of PC waste and protection of energy while focusing on their honesty through an exceptional system that permits the different handling of information exchanges in a similar block, which speeds up at a high rate. Elrond Center engineers accept that the Egld organization can deal with in excess of 15,000 exchanges each second at a charge of $0. This guarantee was demonstrated when Elrond arrived at 260,000 exchanges each second in a test climate with in excess of 1,000 hubs. This is a tremendous accomplishment contrasted with the other blockchains like Bitcoin, Ethereum, or torrential slide. The Elrond local token is utilized in marking, remunerating validators, and installment of organization expenses. What's more, the simplicity of activity is to such an extent that Elrond can be run on PCs without the requirement for cutting-edge mining processors, which makes it amateur amicable and modest to make do. Elrond is the primary organization that permits the synchronous execution of the relative multitude of three attributes of sharding parts in their convention plan. Its focal center is network security, as enduring inward dangers and outside attacks was planned. Egld has incredible potential as a result of its high-scale security framework plan. Borderless exchanges, execution of shrewd agreements, permissionless computerized economy, and lively local area. Elrond current cost. Elrond is right now worth $60.12 USD. Egld has moved 0.40% as of now with an exchanging volume of $83,450,126. Elrond is right now positioned 41 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $1,421,717,893 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal intermingling difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Elrond to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Elrond Value Forecast 2022. Elrond, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital currencies to rise this year. The Egld cost estimate for 2022 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $90.18. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no impressive drops are normal. Averaging $84.17 in cost is very aggressive, however it is doable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and progressions. Egld is supposed to have a base worth of $72.14. Elrond Value Forecast 2023. In 2023, Elrond Egld cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of Egld will before long outperform $150.30. Nonetheless, we ought to stand by to check whether the Egld's general strength record emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, EGLD will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $120.24 and a typical exchanging cost of $132.26. Elrond Value Expectation 2024. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach $210.42 and EGLD might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. EGLD is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $192.38 and a low of $180.36 in 2024. Elrond Value Expectation 2025. Assuming Elrond effectively supports market opinion among digital currency aficionados, the EGLD coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, EGLD will be green in 2025. The EGLD is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at $270.54, with a base cost of $240.48 and a typical cost of $252.50. Elrond Value Forecast 2026. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the EGLD cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $312.62 by 2026, with a base cost of $300.60 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, EGLD has a greatest value worth of $330.66. Elrond Value Forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $372.74. On the off chance that EGLD figures out how to break the safe level in 2027, we could see a most extreme cost of $390.78. Neglecting to accumulate the help EGLD needs by 2027 could bring about a low of $360.72. Elrond Value Forecast 2028. While EGLD is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush communication, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $420.84 and a yearly cost close above $450.89 in 2028. Elrond Value Expectation 2029. By 2029, Elrond will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $480.95 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $511.01, averaging out at $492.98. Elrond Value Forecast 2030. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost determining is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary exhortation, and you should DYOR. In 2030, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme EGLD cost in 2030 is projected to be $589